Okay.
What do we do now?
I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pencil.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Are you sure?
Yeah, that's a good idea. I don't know.
Do you want a pencil? Do you
I
need
don't know.
a
I got
pencil?
floppy arms. My arms are weak. Ah!
I'm gonna go ahead and grab a pencil.
Okay, that's on you. You go grab one.
Pencil, pencil. Pencil number 1, 2.
What the? Why would you do that for? Ah!